Alright guys, so if you guys have one of these Anbernic devices here and it doesn't boot, here's a couple fixes. So I'm holding the button. No boot, right? The battery is charged because I had it on the charger and the light goes away. So here's a little tip. You pull out the SD card. I'm trying to do this with one hand while holding the phone. Pull it out. Put it back in. Push the reset button one time. And then hold the power. If it doesn't work, you just do it again. So we're going to pop this out. You might be able to actually put in the second slot. I haven't personally tried it, but let's do it together. So we'll just pull it out, put it in the second slot, push the reset, and then we're going to hold the power. And if that doesn't work, then I don't know what does. You guys let me know.